Let's break down for the viewers and let's tell you why the future of artificial intelligence lies nowhere but right here in India. Take a look at this. Artificial intelligence, once a concept limited to science fiction, is now shaping the world around us. From self-driven cars to advanced medical research, from personalized recommendations to AI-powered chatbots, this technology is redefining how we live, we see, and we work in today's time. But where does India fit into this global AI revolution, you may ask? Well, according to some of the world's biggest tech leaders, India is not just participating, ladies and gentlemen, it is poised to lead this revolution. And with its vast talent pool, rapid AI adoption, immense data advantage, and a proactive government pushing innovation, India is on track to becoming a global artificial intelligence powerhouse. And why is that? Well, let's break that down. So, the big question: what makes India the future of AI? Why are global tech giants betting big on India? And why does this mean big and significant for the country's future? Take a look at this. First and foremost, a thriving AI ecosystem. India is home to one of the largest AI developer communities in the entire world. Tech giants like Google, Microsoft, OpenAI, Sam Altman was just in India a couple of days back, and Nvidia are investing heavily in the country, recognizing India's potential as a key AI hub. Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, recently said, India should be among the leaders of the AI revolution. The country has everything: stack, chips, models, and incredible applications. And he's not alone. You've got Sundar Pichai as well, the CEO of Google, who believes India is ready to lead the AI frontier. Now, the growth of AI startups, research institutions, and industry collaborations is driving innovation at an unprecedented pace. India is no longer just consuming AI technologies like most of the rest of the world. It is actively building and shaping the future of artificial intelligence. Strong government support and industry push, that comes next. It's not just about private companies that are backing AI in India. The Indian government has taken significant steps to accelerate AI innovation and its adoption. The Digital India mission has laid the groundwork for AI-driven solutions across various industries, not targeting one specific key growth sector. AI-specific PLI schemes are incentivizing semiconductor and AI chip manufacturing. The government is fostering public-private AI research collaborations, ensuring India stays ahead of the lot. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella, he believes India's strength in mathematics, research, and computing power gives it a major edge in artificial intelligence. He even said, we are just one mathematical breakthrough away from a whole new AI revolution, and India has the talent to make that happen. Well, India isn't just adopting artificial intelligence, it is laying the foundation for AI's global future, if I could put it that way. And why I'm saying that is because India's data advantage gives it that vantage point, a gold mine for artificial intelligence and people related to AI. AI is powered by data. We all know that. The more data a system has, the smarter it becomes. Now, imagine a country with 1.4 billion people generating an ocean of data every day. Well, that's India. AI models require huge and diverse data sets, and India has both of these. India is leading multilingual AI solutions, breaking language barriers, and creating artificial intelligence-driven local language tools. You've got IBM CEO Arvind Krishna, who's called this a unique advantage in the AI landscape. And this massive data resource makes India a perfect testing ground for AI innovations that can be scaled globally as well. Then we must talk about India's AI talent boom, our driving force, not just for AI back at home, but for the rest of the world. One of the biggest reasons why artificial intelligence's future lies in India is, well, the Indian people. Every year, millions of engineers and AI specialists graduate in India. 50% of Indians are actively learning artificial intelligence skills. Bosch Tech Compass Survey 2025 is there to corroborate these statements. But India's AI adoption rate is the highest globally. You again have Emeritus Global Workplace Skills Study to corroborate this factor as well. Both of those points, and that tech leaders are taking note. Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang says, and I quote, India is home to some of the world's best computer scientists. The country will be at the center of artificial intelligence innovation. When you're breaking down the value chain, the first hard block of the hardware is the GPU, the processing units. These are, of course, by Nvidia. That is the main player when it comes to GPUs and artificial intelligence. That company's CEO coming out and saying that India is going to be at the center of AI innovation, well, that has to mean something. And with the right skills, the right mindset, and the right opportunities, Indian professionals are driving AI advancements across industries, from healthcare to finance, from education to e-commerce, you name it. The future of AI will be written by those who can develop, deploy, and scale AI solutions, and India is leading that particular charge. India's growing role in AI research and development, that cannot be undermined. India is not just a market. I mean, that's as good enough a reason for AI's future to lie here in the country, but it's not just a market. It's a global AI development hub. AMD's second largest R&D center is in Bengaluru, right after the United States. You've got Google, Microsoft, and Adobe that are expanding their AI operations in the country. And global AI startups are setting up bases in India, recognizing India's potential in the AI revolution and the AI arms race. AMD CEO Lisa Su confirms, and I quote, "Every aspect of our product line goes through our design center in India." That's how important India is, not just for AI labs in tier 2 and tier 3 cities, but as a testing ground for this revolution that is already set afoot, and India is leading that charge. We'll get to that in just a little second. Because with cutting-edge research in artificial intelligence, you've got machine learning and data science, India is rapidly becoming a preferred destination for AI innovation and development. Now, the big question is, should India build its own AI models? Now, this brings us to that key debate. Should we be doing this at all? Some argue that India should focus on AI applications rather than compete with companies like OpenAI or DeepMind. Others believe that India must build its own AI models, just like China did with DeepSeek, a complete disruptor. People can't stop talking about it. Former Infosys CTO Vishal Sikka, he says, and I quote, "India should not just build AI applications, it should build AI models." And as AI continues to evolve, having its own AI infrastructure models and technology stack will be crucial for India's independence and leadership in the AI space. India's AI future, whilst we're telling you that the future lies in the country, well, what's next? Let's talk about that as well. Where does this leave our country? Where do we leave India? The world's biggest tech leaders agree that India is shaping the future of AI with a strong talent pipeline, government-backed AI initiatives, huge data advantage, massive investments from global tech giants. India, and mark my words, India is set to lead the next wave of AI innovation. The question is not if India will dominate AI, but when and how soon will India continue to dominate it. One thing is certain, the world is watching India's artificial intelligence rise, and this journey, I'm telling you, is just the beginning.